विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाए तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you. Please be seated. Sir, with your permission, I would like to read the order of appointment of Shri Ganesh Gaonkar, sir. In exercise of powers conferred on me by Article 188 of the Constitution of India, I, P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Governor of Goa, hereby appoint Shri Ganesh Gaonkar to be the person before whom members of the Goa Legislative Assembly shall make and subscribe the oath or affirmation on 15th March 2022. I would request you to, sir, kindly administer this.
I, Ganesh Gaonkar, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly of the State of Goa, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and dignity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाए तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, sir.